Our aim is to find out the angle between the vectors I plus j and the vector j plus k. So for the calculation of angle between vectors, we'll use this concept, that is cos theta is equal to a dot b divided by magnitude of a and magnitude of b. So first we can find out what about the dot product of these two vectors. So this is our one vector and this is our second vector. And if you are going for their dot product, so the result will be over here. You can sometimes students will get confused because of this terms, because in second equation you can just observe that here the term of I is not here. So I'm just writing it in elaborate, that is I cap plus j cap plus 0 k cap is the first vector, dot I cap over here is 0, that means, or its x component is 0, so we can write 0 I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So we can say that 1 into 0, which is equal to 0. Then we can observe that 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. Then we can observe that 0 into 1, that is equal to 0. So we'll get the value of this dot product is equal to 1. Now we can observe what about the magnitude of these two vectors. So first we can find out what is the magnitude of this vector. So we can say that magnitude of this vector is equal to under root of its x component square, that is 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to root of 1 plus 1, that is root 2. Same as like that we can find out what about the magnitude of this vector. So you can write magnitude of this vector is equal to under root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to under root of 1 plus 1, that is equal to root 2. So we can write the value of cos theta is equal to a dot p divided by ab. Over here a dot p is 1 divided by a is root 2 and b is root 2, so that is 1 by 2. So cos theta is 1 by 2. We can say that theta should be equal to 60 degree, because cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. So angle between them is 60 degree.